Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino pinagkaguluhan sa Dubai meet and greet nila.
Kim. Okay, following the worldwide success of My Love Will Make You Disappear, are there any upcoming projects of films or any teleserye or another movie? Parang yan exciting ng lahat, di ba? This is so exciting naman namin that you have upcoming for sure.
Hindi nga pwede.
Gusto niyo ba?
Yun lang. Yung totoo, gusto niyo pa ba? Malalaman sa takdang ka na. Hindi pala, Big Brother pala. Pero we're very thankful and we're very overwhelmed sa support na natatanggap namin. Nababasa namin siya sa social media and with the success of this movie. So, sobra kami talagang nagpapasalamat na on our 30s, may love team movie pa kami. So, maraming salamat. Marami pa kaming na-inspire at napapakilig. So, natutuwa naman kami.
Sana naman, I'm sure as long as may demand, mangyayari at mangyayari. So, kapag may nagda-demand pa or may gusto pa na magkaroon kami ng proyekto magkasama, I'm sure may
Each and every one of you na nandito. Maraming salamat. Sana alam niyo na mahal namin kayo. Thank you.
Ako naman to our fellow kabayans and Filipinos here in Dubai, UAE, and Middle East. We've felt your overwhelming support since Linlang to Secretary Kim and now here sa movie namin, My Love Will Make You Disappear. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Maraming salamat. Hindi po kami magsasawang paulit-ulit pumunta dito para bumalik at mapasaya kayo. So thank you so much. And again, enjoy the film.
Alright, thank you again, Kim and Paolo. Now, ito na ang time para nga naman sa ating photo opportunity with Kim and Paolo. Pero go ahead.
Yes, of course. Meron tayong mga do's and don'ts.
Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Magkomento sa ibaba at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood!